Have a good day, ma'am. This is my presentation in soil analysis. Lesson objectives: define soil analysis and explain the laboratory test for soil sample. Presented by Charlotte R. Pablo from 3CRIA 1-11 and presented to Dr. Elenita G. Cuenca. The first slide is soil. Soil is the upper layer of the earth in which plants grow. A black or dark brown material typically consisting of a mixture or organic remains, clay, and rock particles. So, yung soil, ito yung lupa, which is tinataniman natin ng mga plants na kung saan dito tumutubo itong mga tinanim natin, and ito is isang bagay na black or dark brown na typically nagko-consist siya ng mixture organic na clay or organic particles. And yung forensic soil analysis naman is sila naman yung nag-identify kung yung soil mo is healthy. Forensic soil analysis is the use of soil sciences and other disciplines to aid in criminal investigation. So, yun nga, sila yung mga nag-i-investigate kung yung soil is healthy or hindi. Tinitignan nila kung yung soil is maganda ba or anumang dahilan kung paano tumubo ang isang halaman. The second one is unique properties of soil. The first feature is sediment. This is the original solid particles that were weathered or transported. So, ito daw yung nag-iiba by version of rock. Kunwari, halimbawa, ito yung nag-form ng bricks niya of the larger parent materials. Ito yung nade-develop ng sediment due to the physical and chemical alteration. And the next one is structure. So, yung structure indicates whether a soil is composed of a single grain particle or not. This is determined by the presence of PEDs, clumps. These PEDs are formed due to the cementing agents such as calcium carbonate attracting the soil particles so that they adhere to each other to form either bulky PEDs, which are small conglomerates masses, or platypeds, which are not flat and sheet-like. And the last one is color. Color indicates its history as well as the compound present in the soil. So, dito naman sa color, ma-identify mo kung kung anong compound ba present ang isang soil. Kapag sa white or green soil naman, ibig sabihin, ito yung nagko-contain ng lime or has been leached. And pag gray soil naman, ito yung ibig sabihin is organic or moisture in present. Kapag soil is red or brown or yellow, generally, ito yung nagsasuggest ng pag yung iron is present. The third one is procedure for collecting soil sample. So, sa collection of samples, syempre, the first one is, kailangan mo munang i-ready kung ano yung mga materials na kailangan gagamitin. And, kapag na-ready mo na is, collect mo na yung mga possible samples sa location ng suspect. And, pag na-collect mo na is, ilalagay mo na siya sa mga maayos na lalagyan or sa container. Then, record all the important details. And, the last one is submit it to the laboratory and need a representative sample of the soil. And the last one is describe the different laboratory tests for soil sample. The first one is collection of sample. Second is visual comparison of color and texture. The third one is microscopic examination, and the last one is density gradient tubes. So, sa collection of samples, syempre, dapat yung samples mo is dry para madali siyang ma-identify. Visual comparison of texture and color. Determining the textural classification of soil is useful and predicting its potential for erosion. And microscopic examination used to analyze the mineral content of the sample. Ito yung microscopic na microscope na ginagamit sa soil para ma-identify mo or ma-analyze mo yung content ng isang sample. Then the last one is density gradient tubes. Ito naman yung these tubes are typically filled with layers of liquids that they have different density values. Ito naman yung malalaman mo rin kung gaano kataas dahil nga density or ano yung sukat, parang ganon, ng value ng layer of liquids and soils.